In a small town, a group of friends decided to boost their mental strength by taking on challenging tasks. "Let's start with something simple," said Alex, the self-proclaimed leader. "How about a puzzle?" suggested Jamie. "Nah, too easy," replied Alex. "Let's try meditation." They all sat in silence, trying to clear their minds. Suddenly, a loud snore echoed through the room. "Who's snoring?" whispered Jamie. "It's Alex," giggled Sam. Alex woke up, confused. "I was just testing my focus," he stammered. "Sure, Alex, sure," laughed Jamie. "And next time, try staying awake."